Hey viewers, welcome to Engineer's View. This time I'm back with a new platform. But before going to say something about this platform, I would like to convey something related to this platform. This platform is majorly dealing with projects like IoT, machine learning, AI, and others. And if you are a practical learner, then go with this particular platform that I'm going to say. And the name of this platform is Skyfi Labs. This time, this platform has came a step ahead to provide students some free courses at a very affordable price of 99. And those courses are machine learning using Python, data analytics using R language, CAD using Autodesk Inventor, structural and foundational analysis. These are the four courses they are providing at 99. Isn't that great? I would definitely recommend to go with this because even I have done one of the course, that is machine learning using Python, from the same, and I got a great support when it comes to the question and answers. I have got so many doubts and I have asked them very well, and each and every person in there have responded positively to my doubts and given answers to each and every questions. So I would definitely recommend you again to go with this platform and enjoy the learning. Before going to end this video, I would like to add a small part to this. That is, they are providing opportunity to students to join in a group of at most 5 members, and you can pay the bulk amount at the same time and can start enjoying learning with your friends too. And the last part comes to the links. So the link is in the description. Again the same thing. Before going to access the link, just do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.